Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to cancel your account on the Redbubble application. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the Me section down below. Here tap on Settings and then click on Cancel Account. At this page, you can give your written feedback on the issues that bothered you, why you would like to leave the application and you would like to cancel your account. But you can also leave this out if you don't feel like giving your feedback. Then you can simply press the button down below saying, yes, I'm serious, cancel my account. So now your account has been deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.